Hello and welcome to my tutorial today, showing you how to automatically mount drives in Linux. So to start with, this will all be in the terminal, which I know it can be intimidating at times, but it is actually very easy. So what you do is, firstly, we've got to make somewhere to mount it to, because Linux makes everything a folder. So I'm going to make mine in the media directory, because that is where they're supposed to go. Now if I type ls, there's nothing in there, so I'm going to type mk. So if you type cd slash and a media, and then that'll move you into the folder. And then if you mkdir sudo mkdir and then the name of the folder or the drive you want to call it. So I'm going to call it 2TB because it's a 2 terabyte hard drive. Now you type in your password, nothing will show when you type it in. That is normal. So now you need to change the ownership of it. So you type sudo chown for change owner, and then you type in the user colon the user again, and then the name of the folder that you just made, and then hit enter. Okay. And now you don't have to run it twice. I just did that to make sure it's done. So now you open up two more terminals. Now you need to find the device information. So you type in sudo fdisk-l, and now you need to locate your drive. So that is the drive I am going to be adding. So now you need to find the UUID. So to do that, you open up another terminal and type in blkid, and then hit enter. Oh, okay. So now you've got to take the device and find it here, which I need this UUID. So now what we need to do with it is type in, let's go to another terminal and open up a folder called the fstab in a terminal text editor with sudo user permissions. So to do that, you need to type in a name of a terminal text editor, which I use Nano. If you do not have it, you could also type in sudo apt-get install, or depending on what distro of Linux, you might have to search up how to install Nano on that particular. But then you type in Nano, and it'll ask you for your password, then you type it in and it'll install, but mine's the newest version already. So now to open up the fstab in a text document, you type sudo nano /etc fstab. Okay, now this will come up. Now you need to go down with the buttons. You can only use your keyboard to control this. So I'm going to make a note and call it extra drives. So now to mount a drive, you grab this UUID I was talking about earlier, and then you copy and paste it in. You can either click Control-Shift-V or right-click and click paste to add it in, and then you navigate and delete any quotation marks and make sure it's all the way to the right. It doesn't matter how far down you have it or how many spaces you have. So now you need to type in the location of where the drive is to be mounted, the one that you made earlier. So I made mine in my media drive and I call it 2 terabyte. You then need to type in the file system. So to locate that, you go on the one that you search blkid, and then you see where it says type, call it ext4. And now just write defaults 00, and that is pretty much it. So now you click Control O to save it, hit enter, Control X to exit, and you type sudo, no, you just type mount 2 terabyte, and apparently it cannot find it. Okay, sometimes this happens, and sometimes the permissions change in the media folder. So I'm gonna go media to just to the media directory again. So you type cd media, and now when you're in there, you type in change own to change own, and then bill, and then the name of the folder. And now mount 2 terabyte. I need super user to mount. Okay, and now it is mounted. So now, if I go, so now if you change directory to media, and then 2 terabyte, and then type ls, as you can see, my stream library is in there. Or you can locate it on Dolphin, which if I go to, how do I, nope, I don't want to mount that. So if I go into media, and then 2 terabyte, and now this is the hard drive. So that is where it's mounted. And then, so if you need to find the location, it is media, and then the name of your folder, and then that is where your files are. So thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.